Can you hear this sound? The sound of the squealing of the belt. How can you be sure if the problem is within the belt, the outside one, or the timing belt? You can grab a bit of WD-40 and spray it on top of the belt. If indeed it shuts up like this, the problem is with the belt or the belt tensioners. Most of the times the problem is not on the belt itself, the problem it is really on the tensioner of the belt. It becomes crooked and now the belt is forcing itself outwards or inwards, depending. Check down on the description below a thorough video explaining how this works and how to solve it.